Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix Apple Watch not updating. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. If your Apple Watch isn't updating, here are some steps to troubleshoot your problem. So what you can do is check your compatibility, ensure that your Apple Watch is compatible with the version of watchOS you are trying to install, verify that your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS, confirm that your Apple Watch model supports the watchOS update. Check internet connections as well. Make sure your iPhone is connected to the stable internet connection. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled and your Apple Watch is within the range of your phone. Now charge your Apple Watch. The Apple Watch must have at least 50% battery and be connected to a charger during the update process. The next is restart your both devices, restart your Apple Watch and restart your iPhone, and then free up space on your Apple Watch. If storage is low, open the Watch app on your iPhone, navigate to the general and then type on iPhone storage and remove unnecessary apps or media from your Apple Watch. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.